Allez, t'as le fort pour mieux, tande, mais. Let go. Ain't nothing for me to drop my skin, leave them boys deceased. The last nigga that tried to play his ass got put 6 feet. I told Lavi, pass me the drink, I'm trying to take some down. Niggas be faking about these beats, this shit some comedy. The last nigga that did some, got his dumb ass beat. And I'm $1 million nigga laughing, stay on my feet. And I'm chasing money souls, if he ain't buy no beat. I ain't tired of fighting niggas, little bro pass me my fire. Nothing for me to bust my glee on my fire. But walk you get behind the wheel, he gon' dog the J's. Hold on. And he gon' dog the J's. No matter if you lock your car, my put back come assist. Niggas be fast, niggas think that you niggas out here snitch. That's why I do shit by myself, can let them get to me. How you claim fat through North Fours on the west side you wish. Look at you cracking, all these girls can merge me, fuck your bitch. What I say? Look, hold on. And every single my trigger finger is. I stitch out some in my marker, cause B2 think he's slick. G27 with a button, that's why I'm baby clinch. I go by baby who play ball with me, content to Vic, man. Come on. Partagez live là. Ain't nothing for me to fuck my energy, my GT stay smoking on rocks, I told Big Bro come down. The last nigga that I tried to diss.